Hey there, and welcome back to a new informative video from Wondershare Dr.Fone. I am Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to help you understand what you should do when your iPhone 15 is losing service. In this case, the iPhone 15 without service is useless because you cannot contact anyone, and network issues remain a consistent problem for Apple users. In this video, we're going to discuss in detail the top reasons that cause your iPhone 15 to lose service with some reliable fixes to ensure that you don't face any more difficulties. So besides this, in this video, we're also going to introduce Wondershare Dr.Fone version 13.5, which will launch very soon. With its new updates, the products on macOS version will be upgraded fully. Moreover, you will be able to generate AI wallpapers and music for your mobile phone using its AI-powered tool. Thus, before we move ahead in this video, please make sure to click on that subscribe button to our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Top reasons why iPhone 15 is losing service. Network signals on different devices always fluctuate between the highest and lowest levels, which is not really an issue. However, staying at a low point for a long time is a main issue that can slow down your work. Thus, to help you identify the iPhone 15 losing service problem, let's go ahead and have a look at the main reasons for this issue happening to begin with. Number 1. Airplane mode is currently enabled. If your iPhone 15 Pro is flashing no service, there is no need to stress it. It may be possible that you have enabled airplane mode, due to which the service is unavailable. Network outage or ongoing maintenance. There is a possibility that the network will be suspended from the company side due to some maintenance or calamity caused by natural disasters. In this scenario, you need to wait until all of the things are backed by the network providers. Current location is too far from the network serviceable area. You might have observed that when you are traveling, the iPhone 15 network service reduces. It happens because the network itself has a specific range and your device loses signals when you leave that range. iPhone 15 has misconfigured or outdated carrier settings. Now, network companies keep sharing updated network settings with their customers for better connectivity. If your iPhone 15 is losing service, then it can happen because you're losing outdated carrier service settings. SIM card has already passed its expiration date. Many people think that SIM cards don't expire, which is not the case. After some time, SIM cards expire, so there is a possibility that your iPhone service is dropping due to an expired SIM card. iPhone 15 has hardware or system issues. If your iPhone 15 is damaged, then there is a possibility that the network component in it has been damaged. Due to this, your iPhone is losing its network service. Part 2. How to fix the iPhone 15 no signal issues. Now that we have understood what are some of the main reasons that cause the iPhone 15 to lose network service, it is time to explore the solutions to these network reasons so that we can fix the network service issues effectively. Solution number 1. Deactivate airplane mode. If your iPhone 15 airplane mode is enabled, you are required to disable it so that all of the network activities of your device can be resumed. So, in order to do this, just go ahead and head towards the settings of your iPhone, and there you're going to find airplane mode at the top of the system settings. Toggle it to turn that off, and then resume the network connectivity from there. Solution number 2. Restart your iPhone 15. If you think that the loss of the network is due to some technical glitch, then try restarting your iPhone 15 to fix this issue. So, for restarting your iPhone, just hold the power button and either volume up or down buttons together. Once the power off slider appears on the iPhone 15 screen, drag it to the right and then let your device shut down completely. Hold the power button afterwards for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears to turn your iPhone 15 on again. Solution number 3. Switch to Wi-Fi calling. If your iPhone 15 has no service, don't worry. You can still make a call with the help of the Wi-Fi calling feature. So let's see how we can use this feature without any errors. Open the settings app of your iPhone and scroll down to select the phone option. There, just tap on the Wi-Fi calling option and then toggle the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone on the next screen to enable it. Solution number 4. Update your carrier settings. Another method that can assist you in recovering your iPhone network service is to update the carrier settings. This is because carrier providers constantly keep updating their network settings for better user experience. To update the settings, just go ahead and tap on the General option in the Settings tab of your iPhone, then tap About in it, and the Carrier Settings Update option will pop up, on which you have to press the Update option. Solution number 5. Reset your network setting. In case your iPhone network settings have too many modifications, they can cause disruptions with the signals. To fix these issues, you can reset the network settings by following these instructions coming right up. So access the settings of your iPhone and hit the General option. There you can navigate and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Following this, in the next screen, just go ahead and hit the Reset button and then choose the Reset Network Settings option. If asked, enter your iPhone 15 passcode and your device network settings will be reset from there. Solution number 6. Update your iOS version. So outdated iOS on iPhone 15 can also impact the network service of the device. Thus, to avoid such issues, ensure that your iPhone has the latest iOS 17 version. For updating your iPhone, just open Settings and choose General. Tap on the Software Update and just wait for a little while to allow your device to check the availability of the new software version. So if there is an update, tap on Update Now, and your iOS 17 version will be updated. Solution number 7. Fix system issues using Wondershare Dr.Fone. It happens sometimes that different iOS problems don't get fixed with the help of common solutions. Thus, to resolve these issues, it is recommended to use third-party software like Wondershare Dr.Fone in order to address some of these concerns. So this is because this tool is specifically designed to help users fix their iPhone issues in just a few simple steps. Thus, let's explore its steps in detail and see how you can fix the iPhone 15 network issues using this tool. First, download and launch the latest version of Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer and access the toolbox option in it. This will show you different options from which you are required to tap on the system repair and then choose the iPhone option to define your device's nature. So following this, tap the iOS repair option from the iOS system repair tools and choose standard repair mode. Afterward, ensure that your iPhone 15 is connected to your computer using the USB-C cable so that you can put it in recovery mode with the help of on-screen instructions. After activating the recovery mode, the platform will automatically start detecting the suitable firmware for your iPhone 15. You can tap on the download option next to the detected firmware to download it from there. Upon successful downloading, the platform will verify it for you, after which you need to hit the Repair Now button. This will start the repairing process, and after its completion, you can tap the Done button to conclude the process. Your iPhone 15 no service issue should be resolved by this iOS system repair process from there. Solution number 8. Request for SIM card replacement. Now, this one's going to be not very common, but there is a chance that your SIM card requires a replacement because it is worn out. In this case, you can approach the carrier network provider and just get a new SIM card for your iPhone that works properly. Solution number 9. Confirm to the carrier network that your account is in fact active. So if your account is deactivated from the carrier network provider, it can cause your iPhone 15 to lose network service. To resolve these issues, contact your carrier provider and confirm if your account is deactivated or not. Solution number 10. Have your iPhone 15 service. In the end, if all these methods are unable to fix your iPhone 15 no service problem, the only thing that is left to do is to approach the Apple Service Center. There, a well-trained person can assist you in fixing your iPhone 15 no service issue professionally. And with this, our video today has come to an end. We hope that now you have understood why your iPhone 15 is losing service and what are some of the possible solutions that you can use to fix it. Now, besides this, if you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new content just like this. And with that said, until next time, have a good one and enjoy.